You do not need to be rich to build a massive survival stockpile. While the masses drop thousands on overpriced tactical meal kits, real survivalists know how to secure maximum calories for pennies on the dollar. If you are prepping on a budget, you must prioritize hyper-efficient, low-cost calories. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, and these are 5 cheap pantry foods you need to stockpile right now. Let's go. Number 1. Rolled oats, $1.50 to $2 per pound. Forget expensive breakfast cereals. You can buy a massive bulk bag of rolled oats for under $2 a pound. They provide dense, complex carbohydrates and have a shelf life of up to 30 years if sealed correctly. Number 2. Instant mashed potatoes, under $2 per box. The ultimate budget comfort food. A 13-ounce box of instant potato flakes costs less than $2, requires zero cooking, just add hot water, and delivers a massive spike of energy in a grid-down scenario. Number 3. Dried lentils, under $2 per pound. Stop overpaying for freeze-dried meats. At just under $2 a pound, lentils are the absolute cheapest protein source on the planet. They don't require soaking and cook fast, saving your precious emergency fuel. Number 4. Peanut butter, $2 for a 16-ounce jar. In a survival situation, you need dense fats. A standard jar of generic peanut butter costs about $2. It requires no refrigeration, no cooking, and provides thousands of ready-to-eat calories. Number 5. Bulk popcorn kernels, under $3 for a 2-pound bag. A completely forgotten survival grain. Popcorn kernels cost little more than $1 per pound, last practically forever in storage, and provide a massive psychological morale boost for your family during a crisis. Stop using money as an excuse. When survival staples cost this little, you can grab these 5 cheap pantry foods and build your stockpile today. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I'll see you next time.